Guys, we are under a tornado warning. We're under a tornado warning. Do you hear it, Elliot? Do you hear the tornado siren? Like, no one's home. No, absolutely no one is home. Do you hear it, Clint?
Everyone went to this one place. I forgot what it was called.
So we are in a tornado warning. Just kidding. There's a tornado siren practice, right?
Yeah, and there's a tornado warning that's coming later. So that's why.
Elliot, do you know there's a tornado siren in this neighborhood? It's just up there.
Me too.
Didn't you see it? There's two tornado sirens. There's two going on. That's what it sounds like when there's a tornado warning, right, Clint? And I'm going to show them what it sounds like in my room whenever it goes off. So, guys, I was in my room the other day. Dad, the tornado siren! This is what it sounds like from my window. That's what it sounds like from my window. Still outside. Tornado siren! What? Do you hear the tornado siren? That's what it sounds like when there's a tornado warning. They're just testing. What, Max? It just surprised us to turn off, right?
It's been nice.
There the other one goes to turn off. That's what it sounds like when there's a tornado warning in our neighborhood, right?
Yeah.
So I just went to my room. That's what I hear what it sounds like in my room.